Welcome back. This Sunday is National Avocado Day. And while most of us tend to eat it on toast or as a part of a salad or sandwich, our correspondent Lisa Breckenridge is with a chef who has some creative ideas for how to incorporate them.
National Avocado Day is definitely a holiday I can get behind, and Karin Adoni Ben-David, thank you so much for giving us the lowdown on avocado and not just putting it in guacamole.
Yes, thank you for having me. It's great to be here.
So a lot of people think that it is a vegetable, but it is not, right?
It's a fruit that is actually the highest in fiber from all fruits.
Okay, so how often should we have it?
I recommend to my clients always half an avocado a day is the perfect serving for whether it's weight loss or just to get all the nutrients and health benefits out of it.
Okay, so again, avocado and guacamole, my favorite food, but you're going to show us all these other delicious ways to have it, and we're going to show you a recipe as well. But first of all, cookies?
Cookies. So I actually bake with avocado. No one is aware of that it's such a great trick. So,
oh my goodness.
Yeah, I know.
This is a healthy cookie for me?
This is a healthy cookie. It's gluten-free, healthy, high quality. Chocolate avocado cookies. So one of the things is that everyone bake with margarine or butter or oil, which actually you can bake with avocado, which will give you this great moisture and texture. And listen to this. 2 tablespoons of butter or oil will give you 200 calories. 2 tablespoons of avocado will be 50.
Stop it.
Yes, and all the nutrients, and no margarine, which is not good for your health, clog your arteries, rise your cholesterol.
All of the stuff.
All of the things we shouldn't.
What is this I'm putting in my mouth right now?
Avocado tuna patty.
Again, absolutely delicious.
Thank you.
That's crazy. And over here, what do we have?
So in here we have tuna boats with quinoa and mango, which I love as well. So I use the avocado to cream things and to make it more condensed, to give it more flavor and texture. And also because avocado has such a high fat content, but healthy fats, it also keeps you full and satisfied, can lower your bad cholesterol, by the way. So it does so many good things for you.
Okay, this is darling. What is this?
This is an avocado truffle with goat cheese and seeds.
Oh,
this is the cutest thing.
Wonderful. So we need to have tips though as well, because getting an avocado that's ripe and that doesn't turn brown on you on the inside, what are the tricks?
Okay, so first of all, if you got an avocado that is like too firm and you want to ripen it, what you do is you place them by a banana. Banana has a super cool hormone, it's called ethylene, that helps the avocado actually to ripen faster.
Stop it. Okay, banana next to your avocado. Then when you want to stop it from getting too ripe, into the refrigerator?
Into the refrigerator. Now, if you already opened the avocado, I know the TikTok trend says put it in water. Don't.
Okay.
It will grow bacteria.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, no. So what you should do is open it, brush some oil on it, high quality like olive oil or avocado oil, put nylon on it, put it in the refrigerator, it will stay perfect.
Okay, so now we're going to teach you how to make this. What is this called?
This is avocado crisps.
Okay, I want to taste it first. And, oh, okay, it's almost like
This is spicy.
This is spicy? Okay, I gotta have the spice. Oh my goodness. I have never tasted anything like that. It's crispy and yet soft, so let's see how we do it.
Okay, so basically we're just taking a nice ripe avocado. Actually, my avocados were not ripe enough, so I placed them by a banana for 48 hours and they were perfect. Another trick you can do, by the way, is place them in a brown bag.
Okay, yes, the brown bag I've heard.
We know, but the banana is the coolest.
And then over here, what do we have here?
So here we have Parmesan cheese. You can use Parmesan or mozzarella.
Okay, do I put the whole thing in?
Yes.
Okay, and we're gonna mash it all together. And then,
this is perfect.
What are these are our seasonings?
So let's put some tiny bit of salt, not a lot, and some garlic powder. So we can place
Could
it.
you put fresh garlic in there, or you like the powder better?
You can put fresh, but you just need to mince it properly.
Okay, so we're gonna mash it all up, and then of course, just for the, to make it easy, we would put it onto the plate over here.
Yes, we're gonna put it on the tray.
And then bake it in the oven for how long?
I would say 20 to even sometimes 30, 35 minutes, just because you want it to be like golden brown.
Really kind of crispy, and that Parmesan gets all caramelized.
Exactly, and you don't want to put it in high temperature because it'll get burnt.
Okay, so you've written 2 books as well,
yes.
And you're all about clean eating. And what was it that brought you to this life of nutrition and helping everyone literally around the world, whether in person or online?
So basically, I suffered from eating disorders. So I was underweight, I was overweight, I was all over the spectrum, and emotional eating was my second name.
Okay.
When I healed started when I was young, I was 11. When I healed myself, I realized this is my destiny and I need to bring this message to the world to help people become healthy, to become the best version of themselves, to regain their food freedom. You know, we all have sometimes a bad relationship towards food. So whether to help them to lose weight, to get them off the yo-yo diets, the fat diets, to improve all of their health measurement, cholesterol, high blood pressure, and whatever it is, and just, you know, to live balanced, healthy, love food and enjoy it, and not be afraid of it, and still look phenomenal and be healthy.
Well, Karin, thank you so much for having us. And again, you guys, these, what do you call them again?
Avocado crisps.
The avocado crisps are to die for. So good.
So good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, thank you, Lisa.